Hey, it's Design Guy here. Want to turn your photos into awesome comic art? I'll show you how in Canva. First, click Create, then choose Custom Size. For this tutorial, select Render by Render PX to set the dimensions before starting your project. Next, open the Elements tab and select a photo from the available options for your design. Next, type the word length into the search bar. Locate the male photo here. Navigate to the commit page to review the specific changes. Click the commit link in the repository to view details and history for this version update. Let's insert this image into the project now. Click Remove Background to eliminate the photo's background quickly. Next, apply a shadow effect to enhance the visual depth of your design. Select the Outline tool from the toolbar to create a clear defined border around your selected shape or text. Select the image, then change the background color to black using the Background Color Settings panel. Next, change the image by selecting it and choosing a new file. After updating the image, click and drag a corner to enlarge it proportionally. Adjust the size until it fits your design as needed. This ensures the image stands out and matches the layout seamlessly. Proceed when you're satisfied with the new image size. Click Edit, then choose Adjust. Locate the contrast slider and drag it to the maximum setting. This will enhance the image's difference between light and dark areas, making details stand out more clearly. Ensure the contrast is set fully to improve visibility and achieve the desired effect before saving your changes. Adjust the saturation slider to enhance or reduce image vibrancy levels. Increase the saturation slightly by adjusting the slider until the colors look vibrant but natural. Adjust the audio settings to maximize clarity. Use noise reduction and equalization tools to enhance sound quality. Test playback levels to ensure clear audio without distortion. Repeat these steps until the audio is crisp and easily understood for all listeners. Return to the Elements panel and search for the half-wand element to continue building your project efficiently. Select it to add the desired feature. First, open the Photographic Next app. Locate the image you want to share. Click the Share button below the image. A menu will appear with sharing options. Select Download to save the image to your device. Wait for the download to complete. Once saved, you can access the image in your device's gallery or downloads folder. Use the image for your projects or share it via email or social media. This process ensures you have a local copy for offline use or editing. Select the transparent background option, then click Download. Add a new page to your project. Drag the downloaded image onto the new page to continue editing. This process ensures your image maintains transparency and fits smoothly into your design. Use these steps to efficiently import and position images with transparent backgrounds. Click and drag the corner handles to resize the image. Release the mouse button once you achieve the desired size. Go to Elements and type Comic in the search bar. Press Enter to view available comic-style elements for your project. Select the one you want to add and customize it as needed to enhance your design. Next, select the color, design, or background you want to apply. Let's choose this option. Now, position it as desired by clicking and dragging or using alignment tools. Adjust until you are satisfied with the placement. This allows you to customize the look and feel effectively. Experiment with different styles to find the perfect combination that enhances your project's visual appeal. Simplify the design, then set the layer to the back using the Layers panel to arrange your elements properly. That's it. Your complete design is ready. Click the Share button to share your PNG image. Use the Download option to save it, and select the Size Increase feature to enlarge your PNG image before downloading or sharing it. Disable the Transparent Background option, then click the Download button to save your file. Now you know how to create a comic book effect in Canva Smash. That like button and subscribe for more fun design tips.